My name is Abdul Momin and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a public health professional. So if you have been following my videos lately, you must know that we have been talking about physical activity for the last few days, and today we are going to continue with that. So one of my viewers asked a very important question, and it was rather a sort of question which could clarify a lot of confusion about one thing, which was the difference between physical activity and exercise. So I thought of making a video on this because quite a few people might be having this particular confusion. So our today's topic is the difference between physical activity and exercise. Well, so as I already mentioned in my very first video of this particular series, that physical activity is any bodily movement produced by skeletal muscles that requires energy expenditure. So say for example doing all the small little things at homes, starting from the household chores such as mopping, cleaning, maybe grocery shopping, or a light stroll. These are all examples of physical activity, and along with these playing different types of sports, going to gym. These are also the examples of physical activities. And then physical activity can also be divided into three categories: light physical activity, moderate physical activity, and vigorous physical activity. For that you can watch my video which has all the explanation on these three different types of physical activity. Now coming to the exercise part of it, which is the more commonly used terminology, and people quite a few times confuse these two terminologies with each other. So exercise, basically it is a subcategory of physical activity that is planned, structured, repetitive, and purposeful. What do we mean when we say purposeful? Purposeful means that it has the objective of improving one or more components of physical activity or fitness. So basically, in simple words, all the exercises are considered as physical activities, but not all the physical activities are exercises, because as I have already mentioned, exercise is basically a subcategory of physical activity, right? So I do hope that you now have a clear understanding of the difference between these two terms. You can also understand by the fact that physical activity is not always going to result in improvement of your health or your fitness, while when we talk about exercise, it definitely improves one or more components of your health or your fitness. So we can also say, for the sake of understanding, that adding one level up to your physical activity, that becomes your exercise, or adding challenge to physical activity in terms of maybe stability, stamina, flexibility, or strength. So that actually converts your physical activity into exercise. So I do hope that now you have understood the difference between these two terms. So if you have, do like my video. Let me know through your comments if you are liking the content or not. Share this video with others so that others can benefit as well. And most importantly, if you are watching my video for the very first time, do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my future videos. Until next time, it's bye bye from my side.